पापा टमाटर, बेबी टमाटर और मामा टमाटर। तो पापा टमाटर और मामा टमाटर ने रोड क्रॉस किया। पापा टमाटर ने बेबी टमाटर को क्या बोला?
I am clueless.
Because I've been in relationships that have not worked out. हमेशा ये रीजन कहीं ना कहीं ब्रिंग अप होता है कि हम जैसे पहले 6 महीने में थे, 4 साल बाद नहीं है या 3 साल बाद नहीं है।
पहले सब लोग
क्या होती है?
It's a Japanese
वो green color की।
Yeah.
पता, the best way to drink matcha is to take a cup like this and to throw it like that.
Okay, ठीक है. So I think we should head there and where you can teach me how to boil water. Stop.
I would want kids, and if my partner doesn't want kids, I don't want to be with the partner.
No! What? Hi guys, I'm on another date and is where my karma is calling me to my bait. I am on a date in a bowling alley with Varun Sood and I'm so excited. Have you, Varun, been on a date to a gaming arcade or something of that sort?
I've been wanting to for a very long time. I asked somebody many years back. तो WhatsApp पे पूछा तो उसकी DP गायब हो गई और Instagram में मैसेज किया तो बोलती है हट बच्चे ऐसे ठीक है मैं अकेले जाके आता हूँ।
Since you're on a date with me, I want to know what are you looking for?
ये honesty चाहिए मुझे एक तो थोड़ी सी। I need a girl who can understand my humor. I think I'm a very funny guy. Unfortunately, I'm the only one who thinks I'm a very funny guy. So I really want somebody who matches my thought process.
Do you crack like PJs?
I'll crack a joke for you.
Okay.
Then you can analyze it.
Okay, ठीक है, tell me.
तो 3 टमाटर होते हैं।
Okay.
पापा टमाटर, बेबी टमाटर और मामा टमाटर। पापा टमाटर, मामा टमाटर, बेबी टमाटर चल रहे होते हैं तो पापा टमाटर और मामा टमाटर ने रोड क्रॉस किया पर बेबी टमाटर पीछे रह गया। पापा टमाटर ने बेबी टमाटर को क्या बोला?
I am clueless.
केचप। केचप।
You're the PGS guy. पक्का. I think I can survive.
टिक माय checklist I have it.
मैं छुपा नहीं सकती.
हाँ गुड ठीक है।
मेरे चेहरे पे दिख जाएगा. Like even if I try to hide it, I'll get caught because it's like right on my face.
I can take that.
And मैं offend भी कर देती हूँ ज़्यादा सच बोल के.
मैं भी ऑफेंड कर देता हूँ। मेरे में फिल्टर नहीं है।
Sometimes no, in this industry you need a filter. It's so hard.
जानवी तभी मैं बाहर नहीं जाता हूँ। तभी मैं लोगों से इतना बात नहीं करता हूँ। कुछ निकल गया तो क्या करूँगा?
Is that legit? Do you really not go out?
I don't go out. I don't go out. I haven't gone out in Bombay to party ever.
But what? Then how do you party? What is partying for you?
Partying for me is sitting in my living room on my couch watching TV or just being around my friends and playing video games. Karaoke nights in my house. I have a whole setup.
Wow.
तो
I can't sing for the life of me.
हम 4 लौंडे बहुत गंदा गाते हैं।
Yeah, but पता है जब मेरे को पता चला ना I'm going on a date with you, I was like, good karma is showing up with a green flag boy.
It's karma calling.
Of course.
I had to.
But what do you like in love?
I think love should feel comfortable. I think love is something that you should be secure about. When you wake up in the morning, you should be happy about the fact that there's somebody for you in this world who loves you. No, but I have a question. और ये मेरा बहुत सालों से question है.
हाँ.
When you talk about you want a dreamy Bollywood kind of a boyfriend, right? Or like love in life. Practical अगर बात करेंगे, तो when a guy is going for a girl, he will like do everything that he has to make the girl happy, to show the girl that he loves her. और एक बार जब लड़की मिल जाती है, तो वो इतना नहीं, maybe he's not giving 100, maybe he's giving a 90, right?
हाँ.
But at that moment, that 90 is 100 for him. और लड़की को लगता है कि देखो पहले तो इतना इंटरेस्ट शो करते थे, अभी नहीं कर रहे हो.
No, but I think that's normal. I mean, ideally, once you get into a relationship, you're looking at finding peace, finding home with this person, right?
पर मेरा ये दिक्कत है कि I've been in relationships that have not worked out. But हमेशा ये रीज़न कहीं ना कहीं ब्रिंग अप होता है कि हम जैसे पहले 6 महीने में थे, वो अब 4 साल बाद नहीं है या 3 साल बाद नहीं है. और मैं बोलता हूँ हाँ मतलब ये तो बहुत नॉर्मल चीज़ है.
So when you're growing, you're changing, you're constantly evolving, and when you're doing that, how are you going to stay the same that you were when you were dating somebody 6 months ago? मतलब 6 महीने पहले आपने जो किया वो शायद आप अभी नहीं
करोगे. Yeah.
I think that's normal. I think it's bound to happen.
I'm glad you understand that. I think you're the first woman that I've met who understands that.
I think it comes with a lot of experience. A lot of bad experiences, to be very honest.
Yeah, yeah.
But you know, what have your bad experiences and heartbreaks taught you?
I think it's taught me the fact that I'm really happy with myself. I think this taught me that you might feel कि ये खत्म, दुनिया खत्म, जिंदगी खत्म. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं होता. ये like I still remember there was a time where I was feeling like this. कि heartbreak हो गया, दुनिया खत्म, अब मैं क्या करूँगा? I think within a few months I'm telling you, I was having the best time of my life. I was traveling in Europe alone, just like enjoying life. Janvi, we were out on a date. I haven't asked you what you'll eat, what you'll drink.
Yes, I think we should order something.
Yes, that's very wrong on my part.
नहीं मुझे पूछना चाहिए था
Like
actually.
you-
So are you like a coffee person or a chai person?
I'm a milkshake person.
You're a milkshake person.
I'm
Wow.
a no coffee, no tea person. But what do you drink, coffee or tea?
My day has to start with chai. Then I graduate to coffee. आजकल तो मेरी matcha चल रही है, जिसके लिए सब लोग
Matcha क्या होती है?
It's a Japanese.
वो green
tea.
color की?
Yeah.
पता, the best way to drink matcha is to take a cup like this and to throw it like that. इतना गंदा चीज.
Oh my god.
क्या
Why does
बना-
everybody hate
क्या
matcha?
बनाया है वो? क्यों बनाया है वो?
But why does everybody hate matcha so
There must
much?
be a reason, Janvi. Think about it.
But I like it. I genuinely enjoy it.
Can we have one cold coffee and one banana milkshake? Thank you.
Also, I just heard that you have a sweet tooth.
Yeah, I do.
No
I
wonder.
do. It's very difficult for me to survive with
Without
this-
मीठा?
Without मीठा. मैं तो मतलब पागल हो जाता हूँ. अगर तुम्हारा एक बर्फी का आ रहा है डब्बा, तो I'm going to eat the बर्फी like chips.
I like the way you explain this item
Yeah.
also. It's not like छोटा डब्बा. It has to
नहीं
be.
वो जो 250 ग्राम्स का आता है वो तो इंसल्ट है. वो तो मैं इंसल्ट मानता हूँ, ठीक है. मुझे चाहिए प्रॉपर जिसमें वो बटर पेपर हटाना है, वो एक बर्फी ऐसी पड़ी हुई है, मुझे वो चाहिए और फिर उसको नेटफ्लिक्स देखते देखते आराम से खाना है.
Wow.
या
I can't eat मीठा.
व्हाट
You can have मेरे हिस्से की सारी मिठाई.
मैं ले लूंगा.
Okay, jokes apart, me tell me this. वैसे usually कभी try किया है कभी किसी लड़की को approach करने का? How do you do it if you have to?
I don't. मेरा ना I think my riz is horrible.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, it looks nice.
I think मेरी game is very weak. Very weak. My game is humor. मैं किसी का मजाक बना दूंगा.
So you're like roasting.
हाँ, all the time. And it's not cool.
No, I think that's fun.
No, I'm telling you, people get offended. नहीं जैसे अगर कोई लड़की बोली कि I like to read books है ना, bookworm, nerd. मैं ये करता हूँ, पता है लोग
Maybe.
irritate हो जाते हैं. लोग irritate हो जाते हैं.
अच्छा, if you like a girl, what do you do? Are you like one of those who's
I'll
like...
tell you, I'll act it out. I'll act it out.
Okay.
And then I will go away.
Are you
Yeah,
serious?
and then I will think about it on my way back. कि क्या गधा इंसान हूँ मैं यार. मैं कितना गधा हूँ, मैं अप्रोच भी नहीं कर सकता. मुझे लगता है कि मैं क्रीप वाली वाइब दे दूंगा, तो फिर तो मैं गया, या तो मैं जेल में हूँ, ठीक है. या तो मुझे वो पुलिस कंप्लेन कर देगी. आई थिंक इफ आई गो टू अ गर्ल एंड इवन से हाय, आई माइट कम अक्रॉस एज अ क्रीप. लड़कों को ये डर लगता है.
Honestly, okay. Now, I am somebody where if I like a guy, I'm going to be like, I'm going to be nice to him.
So basically you wait for the guy to be interested and then you say.
Like drop hints. No, I drop hints. And my hints are like very in your face.
Just think about guys that I'll tell you right now. It's going to change your life. I think we are really stupid. Men are very stupid in life. हमको hint नहीं समझ आता है.
Achha, okay. Now tell me honestly, how competitive are you?
Very competitive. Like I'm irritating when it comes to competitions.
I'm very competitive too, and I do not know how to bowl. I have not gone bowling in forever, which means you're gonna have to teach me.
Just
and
to
then
tell
I'm.
you, I have gone bowling too many times and even I don't know.
Okay, okay. So I think we should head there and to the bowling alley, and
Yeah, you sing.
where you can teach me how to bowl. Stop. You have to teach me how to bowl. I'm not kidding. You have to.
Done. जितना ही मुझे आता है. So basically क्या है कि you put the middle finger and this finger over here.
Okay.
And this over here.
Okay.
ठीक है? I'm telling you, I've done a YouTube tutorial before coming here. And then you go, and then
Oh, wow. See, I know I'm bad at this, and I don't like playing games that I'm bad at.
कमाल.
हाँ, मजे ले लो.
But try swinging arm straight. तुमने ये साइड में किया.
Okay.
अगर सीधा करोगे तो शायद हो जाएगा.
Okay. नहीं, I can't do this. I am
least
so
you're-
bad at this.
You're consistent. I feel like a Janvi.
No, you didn't do that. That's so mean. No, what?
Oh, it is not bad at all. I'm proud of you. Good job.
Thank you for
In the
cheering
end-
me on. My life is not cheering you
In
on.
the end, you figured it out.
Now that I've lost to you,
You didn't lose to me.
I did.
I just won.
ठीक है, back to sitting here and chit chatting. पहले तो मुझे एक चीज बहुत like which is like very important to me. Listen, like you're in Call Me Babe, working with somebody as good looking as and as fabulous as Ananya. I don't know, like what if I'm insecure? What are you going to do about it?
I think it is a guy's responsibility to make the girl secure about why she is the one. I've always felt that. There are other pretty people. I'm not saying there are not pretty people around. There are not good looking people around. But there's a reason why a guy chooses to stay with a girl.
But is not wanting kids a deal breaker for you?
Yeah, I would want kids. And if my partner doesn't want kids, I don't want to be with a partner.
Ouch.
I want my offspring, yeah. Like, kitna maza aata hai. You're literally with a mini version of yourself. So much fun to like be around them. You can play with them. You can talk to them. You see them grow up. You can teach your value system to them.
I mean, yeah. But no, then again, I'm more of the whole let's adopt, not, you know, I'm very like that.
So I'll adopt a dog.
वो तो मेरे पास है.
हाँ, तो मेरे पास नहीं है ना अभी.
Have you ever looked at your parents' marriage and said that, you know, there's something that I want to take from them, and you know, like I want this is something I want in my relationship as well.
Yeah, I think they work as a team beautifully. My dad was not in the house most of the time. He was posted out. And my mom had 3 horribly spoiled children who used to like gang up on her most of the time. तो मेरी mom के life में हम लोग stress थे. Plus my dad wasn't around to do it. But somehow they managed to keep that spark in the marriage alive. And I think the teamwork that they had is something that I really want in a relationship.
Okay, with that we will end the dates.
Thank you so much, Anju.
Thank you
I had
so
a lot
much.
of fun.
You were
And
amazing.
next time I cook for you for sure.
Done.
My date with Janvi was a lot of fun. The idea of going on a bowling date is beautiful. You get to do an activity and also you get to know the person while doing an activity. So there's no awkward period in between. I love that. I think the best part about the date was that Janvi was taking it very easy, and that's what I like. I love the fact that she was asking me questions and I was asking her questions, and they were not like the set questions. आपका favorite color क्या है? आपको वो सब नहीं. It was actually meaningful things that she knew about, that she wanted to know about me, and I wanted to know about her. So I love that.
My date with Varun Sood was really cute. I think I had a lot of fun. We went bowling, so we got very competitive. I think we bonded over that as well. So I think it was great. I totally want to do a second date, though. I think no kids is a deal breaker for him. So I don't know how we're going to navigate that. But I think it's totally worth giving a chance to, because he's so calm, he's composed, he is mature like that. So I think I really want to give it a chance.